You don't need to know what's going to happen next to make money in the market. Stay tuned, traders. We're going to talk about that next. G'day traders, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Today we're going to be talking about you don't need to know what's going to happen next to make money in the market. It's one of the truths that Mark Douglas talks about in Trading in the Zone, Disciplined Trader. And what's critical about understanding that statement is that you can enter into the market at any particular time and place and you can make money, not knowing whether that market is going to go in your direction or not, because you have a 50-50 possibility of making money in the markets, even if you have no idea. But the truth of the matter is that what you do need to do is, in order to be consistent, is you need to have an edge. And that edge is the possibility, I know people tend to use the word probability, of one outcome happening over another, but I like to use the phrase possibility because it's only ever a possibility that there's going to be an outcome that works in your favor. And that's why the number one aspect about your trading when you take a position in the market is always number one, to predefine your risk. So regardless, I've had people come up to me and say, oh, my friend made a whole bunch of money in the market. They bought XYZ and it went up and they made a ton of money. And that's fantastic, but what they fail to see is the difference between active traders versus an investor, which is what that was, is an investment or a speculation or a punt, whatever you want to call it. But for an active trader who's trying to extract income out of the market on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, or yearly basis as a whole, they need to have some sort of consistency to their approach. Now, we talk about this in my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. I talk about ritualizing your daily routines, working on your edge, accelerating your learning, setting goals, journaling your trades, learning from other traders, bulletproofing your mindset, creating a vision of the trader that you want to become. Because if you're working on all those aspects, those are the things that will draw you forward day after day in a direction of constant progress and keep you doing the right things. And the number one right thing, regardless of how you're trading right now, is to manage your downside. Now, I don't care how many people email me and all the different questions that you have and all the different types of trading and time frames, strategies. It does not matter unless you know how to manage your risk. You need to predefine your risk. That is the most important rule of trading, learning to be a great loser. I can tell you this with absolute sincerity. I've blown up several small accounts. The only thing that has kept me in the game and has allowed me to continue to get better is by managing my losses. Now, I still have challenges in my trading. My trading overall has become very profitable, but I've talked about working on getting to size, but the instant that I do that, I entertain all these other little challenges because the emotional component comes in. And this is where retail traders are really gonna face challenges, is that, I talked about the opening statement today was you don't need to know anything about where the market's going in order to make money. And that's true. And you don't the more you think you learn about the market, I can almost guarantee you the more money you're losing in the market. 95% of retail traders fail. The bulk of traders lose larger and larger amounts of money the longer that they're trading. So in the beginning, they're great, they manage risk, they take small trades, they're, really cautious. And then on a whim, any one particular day or series of trades, they will blow their account out. The statistics show that 95% of traders either lose money quickly or over a successive series of overexposed, over-leveraged trades. So in order for you to be consistent with your trading in the long term, you need to, number one, predefine your risk. You need to have an edge that has some degree of consistency in your ability to detect that edge and then execute your orders. You manage your risk, you manage your downside, then you have to be able to have a systematic or a mechanical approach to extract your profits out of the market or manage your stop loss in that process. Remember, we talk about the only two things that you can determine in your trading are how much you're going to lose and how much you're going to make. So with that in mind, traders, In order for you to be consistent long-term in the markets, bulletproof your mindset, work on your edge, predefine your risk, learn how to maximize your winners, and stay disciplined. Stay consistent, duplicate that over and over again, and may the markets go with you. Have a great trading week.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High-Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.